Uh, Ready for a whirlwind tour through the vibrant city of Campo Grande, nestled in the heart of Brazil's Mato Grosso do Sul? Buckle up. First up, cultural facts. 1. This city is known as the Morena City due to the reddish-brown soil. 2. It's a melting pot of cultures with influences from indigenous people, Portuguese, Spanish, Paraguayan, and more. And 3, the city celebrates a grand festival called Festa Junina with dance, music, and food. Now for the weird facts. Did you know that Campo Grande houses one of the largest urban parks in the world? Or that it has a love for tereré, a cold version of the traditional yerba mate? And get this, it's the only Brazilian state capital without any direct sea or river access. As of 2024, the city is home to around 900,000 souls, each adding their unique flavor to the vibrant city life. So there you have it, a fascinating glimpse into Campo Grande. Intrigued? There's always more where that came from, so why not join me on this journey? Follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgels, and let's explore the world together, one city at a time.